Is there a warranty or repair option available for Skullcandy earbuds that won't charge?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are tackling a common concern among Skullcandy earbuds owners: what to do if your earbuds won't charge. Fortunately, Skullcandy does provide warranty and repair options for their products, which we'll be detailing in this guide.
Understanding Skullcandy's warranty.
Skullcandy offers a 2-year warranty on its products, which includes their earbuds. This warranty covers defects in materials and workmanship, including issues with charging. If your earbuds aren't charging, and you've bought them within the last 2 years, you're likely covered under Skullcandy's warranty.
What to do if your earbuds are still under warranty?
If your earbuds are within their warranty period and aren't charging, the best course of action is to contact Skullcandy's customer service directly. You'll need to provide them with some details about your product and the issue you're facing. They'll guide you through the process of claiming your warranty, which usually involves sending the faulty earbuds back for repair or replacement.
What if your earbuds are out of warranty?
If your earbuds are no longer under warranty, don't despair. Skullcandy does offer a paid repair service for out-of-warranty products. You can get in touch with their customer service to discuss the issue, and they'll provide you with a quote for the repair.
Preventive measures and tips.
While it's great that Skullcandy offers these services, it's always better to prevent issues from occurring in the first place. Be sure to follow all charging guidelines provided by Skullcandy, use only approved chargers, and avoid exposing your earbuds to extreme temperatures or moisture to keep them working optimally. Remember, you don't need to panic if your Skullcandy earbuds won't charge. With their warranty and repair service, you have options to resolve the issue. Always reach out to Skullcandy's customer service for help when needed. They are there to assist you. We hope this guide has been helpful and has put your mind at ease. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.